Hello traders, it's Monday. I'm going to add the Sonic system. I'm going to show you some trades. I also want to do rollover. I'm going to explain to you how we roll over using NinjaTrader futures. It works the same way with any market that you're trading. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. So I just added the Sonic system to my chart on the E-mini S&P 1-minute chart. A lot of great trades here. Each trade could be worth anywhere between $200 and $500 per trade, depending on how many contracts you're trading. And the first thing I realize is that the September contract should now be expiring, and the December contract is what we should be using. So I'm going to show you how we go ahead and do that. So let's bring up our NinjaTrader control panel. This is what we call the brain of NinjaTrader. We have all these settings. We're going to come over here to Tools and Database Management. And when you click on Database Management, you can see that it's indicating that these contracts need to be rolled over. Now before you do that, let's make sure that we click on Futures Expiries, because it'll update any futures months that we may need to have this occur. So once that's finished, it should gray out, and then we can click rollover. And once we roll over, and instantly the chart will automatically update to December, as you can see there. So since I already have the Sonic system on my chart, it'll automatically update all the signals, the targets, the stops, the entries. So if you're still trading September contract, you could see the signals for September contract. For the December contract, the signals are, then the pricing are a little different because we're in the December contract, but as far as buying or selling, it should be exactly the same. So let's take a look at an opportunity here in the Sonic system. All right, about maybe 15 minutes later, we can see that the market has gone up. That previous signal, 66.6975, was a winning trade. And now we have a new signal, which is long, 66.75 quarter. I'm going to walk you through how this works. We have this opportunity to use the ATM strategy, which places the targets and the stops for you. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to manually place this trade by placing the entry, the target, and the stop separately. You can do both, it doesn't matter.
Order filled.
So I'm long officially at 66.75 to the long side. Let me just stretch this out here a little bit. And now, because I need to place a stop as well as a target, I can use the chart trader or I can use the dome.
Order submitted.
I've placed my target, and now I'm going to place my stop. Depending on how fast the market's moving, I always recommend that you protect yourself with a stop first. But the market's moving in a slow to normal kind of environment, so I place the target first. But in reality, be careful. You should place your stop to protect you in case it's really moving fast. Okay, I placed my target, placed my stop, I have my entry. The Sonic system gives you everything, the entry, the target, and the stop. It's just now a matter of managing the trade. So how do we manage this trade? So my goal is to make $200 to $500 per contract a few times throughout the day where I can take advantage of these opportunities. The previous long trades were all winners. So I know that we are in some type of a trending motion where each trade that I'm taking has a higher probability of being successful. Now, if it doesn't, I still have my stop to protect me, but we've had 3 or 4 winning trades in a row. I don't think you need a lot of these signals. I say that primarily because I don't want you to overtrade. So if you've already taken these prior signals and you're up for the day, a couple $1,000s under your belt, just stop trading and tomorrow's a new day. If this is your first trade of the day like it is for me, then I'm going to go for the profit target, and then I'll continue on for 2 or 3 more trades throughout the day. I like to be done nice and early, but there are a lot of traders that trade throughout the day looking for these opportunities, especially if they're not conflicting with any other method that they're using. So if you have the roadmap, if you have the Atlas line or the trade scalper, make sure that there's nothing conflicting. Now, if you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com. Get a free member account. We currently have a free trial for the Roadmap software. Get the news indicator. Join our live trading room. We want to see you in that room to start learning and look at all of these opportunities for today that you may be missing if you don't have the Sonic system. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.